Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 14th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the US dollar again did push down pretty hard. I mean, we do have a pretty significant lower high. Now, the only problem is with thinking that this really is the end of an ABC, which I think it could definitely be the end of an ABC. It could now be back into a downtrend. But the only problem with thinking that is that the other yen pairs, not the dollar pairs, but the other yen pairs, are still very, very bullish. And the US dollar yen is obviously a yen pair, and that means that this could possibly keep on going up. So just keep in mind that this could be an ABC pullback, especially with the fact that we didn't hit the 78% Fibonacci level very well. But to me, when I like to see symmetry in these moves, and this move right here seems to be a lot bigger than this pullback, which makes me think that it probably is over and it probably is going to continue to make lower lows, lower highs. And I think that we should be looking for shorts on shorter time frames. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I would be waiting for three-way pullbacks to go shorts, kind of like this right here. So if it does make a three-way pullback at some point, that's going to be great news for us. As long as it doesn't become very impulsive to the upside, I would be doing nothing on these sort of time frames, but looking for three-way pullbacks to go short, especially if this really is the end of an ABC correction on the 4 hour time frame. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.